The Oppo Reno5 Pro offers a lot of flagship features. Let's see which those stand out the most. We have a 3D borderless sense screen that is a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display with a 2400 by 1080 resolution panel. It also offers a 90Hz refresh rate that is great for gaming and watching content. The Oppo Reno5 Pro comes equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC. The processor offers amazing speeds, and one feature that stands out is the 5G capability. We have a quad camera setup on this smartphone: 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and another 2 megapixel. On the front we have a 32 megapixel camera. The photos come out great in daylight, but the feature that we loved the most was the AI highlight video. This feature automatically brightens up the subject whenever it detects low light and produces a clearer and brighter video.